In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Gemini now makes perfect infographics. We're going to keep this simple, clear, and efficient so you can turn an existing document into a polished, professional infographic in just a few minutes. First, open Gemini. You can do this in your browser or the Gemini app. Have the document you want to transform ready on your device so you can grab it quickly when it's time to upload. Once Gemini is open, look for the plus icon. This is your shortcut to bringing files into the chat. Click the plus icon, then locate the file you want to convert. This could be a document or a slide deck. The cleaner your source file, the better the output tends to be, so it helps if your headings are clear and your sections are logically organized. After you've selected the file, confirm it's attached in the chat so Gemini knows exactly which content to work with. Now it's time to enter your prompts. In the message box, paste a concise instruction that guides Gemini toward the exact result you want. Here's the prompt to use. Turn this document into a professional infographic. Ensure generous empty space between all sections and elements. Leave 30–40% of the design as breathing room to boost comprehension by 20% and prevent visual overwhelm. Maintain the original writing tone, color palette, font, and overall styles from the slides. Vertical orientation. This tells Gemini to keep your brand's look and feel intact while prioritizing readability and a clean layout. The emphasis on 30–40% breathing room is key. It pushes the design to feel calm, modern, and easier to scan. After you've entered the prompt, press send and wait patiently while Gemini processes your file. Depending on the length and complexity of your document, this can take a moment. That's normal. The model is parsing structure, prioritizing hierarchy, and translating your content into a visually logical flow. If you see Gemini thinking for a bit longer, simply continue to wait patiently until it generates your prompts and presents the infographic plan. Expect a structured outline of sections, suggested visual hierarchy, and content blocks spaced with ample white space. You should also see that the color palette, fonts, and tone echo your original document, just reformatted for a clean vertical infographic. That's it. Open Gemini, click the plus icon to attach your file, enter the prompt exactly as provided, and wait while it builds a professional, vertical infographic with generous breathing room and your original style preserved.